Hello everyone. Welcome to a new video tutorial. This time we will see how to connect a Grand MA2 with HOG 4 using the ARTNET protocol. Okay, this time I'm using a HOG 4 console and a Grand MA3 console in mode 2.
No me hace gracia. Me he reído un poco, pero no me hace gracia. No está bien esto, ¿eh?
Since we are in the console, we touch the setup button. And we go to the box that says MA Network Control. Here we can see that there is no active session, and what we will do is create a session. We put the name we want, in this case, put MDLC, and we touch the create session box. Now we can see that a new session has already started. We close this window. We go to the network protocols box. Here we find 3 boxes. Normally input and output are kept off. We will activate them and see how the first box turns green. Now we go to the amount box and put 20 on it. Normally this box has the number 8. And in the mode box we will put input. I invite you to make tests with the other options, but for now we will leave it in input. We close all these windows. We hold down the store key for a few seconds. This will open a pop-up window. Now we select the DMX in box and the all box. Finally we touch an executor, and that information will immediately be recorded in that fader or button that we choose. Let's put a label to have it identified. We hit the assign key twice and hit the executor. Let's label it ARTNET. We clean the programmer. We lower and we raise the fader. This will activate the information that we record. For the moment we have finished with MA. Now we will move to the HOG console. Okay, we are now in the HOG console. We are going to touch the setup key. Now we touch the control panel box. This opens a pop-up window for us. We select the FixtureNet box. Now we have to enter an IP address. Which IP address? For that we have to return to the MA. We touch the setup button. And go to the MA network configuration box. In the Ethercon2 box we can see an IP address. This is the one we need to use. This IP is 10.33.212.88. We put this IP address in the HOG. But we change the last number. We give it to apply, and we wait for it to be configured. Again we touch the setup button. But we select the network box. In this pop-up window we select the processor box and the settings box. A new pop-up window opens. There we touch the output box. Now we have to add the DMX outputs that we are going to use. We started at 1 through 6. Select the ARTNET box, and we touch the OK box. Perfect. We already have our DMX outputs added. Now we must mark the squares that are on the right side. When finished, we touch the apply box and close the pop-up window. Okay. Now we are going to need a cable like this, which is a network cable. We go to the back of the console and connect the cable to Ethernet 2. Then we take the other part of the cable to the HOG console and connect it to fixture. And a green light will begin to flash. It is time to check if it is working. We upload the fader to activate the recorded information. We go to the HOG console and I launch a dimmer effect. You can see in the stage that the effect is being executed from the HOG. That means we are already in control. But if I go under the fader, the control returns to the MA. Important note: after lowering the fader, we must go to setup in the MA. We touch the network protocols box, the two input and output boxes that must be activated. We deactivate them, so we will not have ARTNET conflicts between the two consoles. Okay guys, that's all for today. I hope this video tutorial is helpful for you. Remember to like the video, share, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell for notifications of upcoming videos like this one.